Hello everyone, I just thought I would drop in to show you a art journal book that I'm making for myself. Um, this is, the idea came from Shemi Dixon. This duct tape here, and these are file folders, and everybody knows we like file folders, and I had a whole bunch sitting around, so I figured I'd start to use them. And all I did was put them together as per Shemi Dixon's video with the duct tape. Decided to use some thinner tape that I may have to cover because it's already starting to tear, but it'll hold temporarily until I can get other stuff on top of it, and then it will hopefully stay. But yeah, this is my new journal to play with, and if you'd like to watch me make it, I can do a video of me making one. Be very quick and simple. It's just basically having the tape, and I put masking tape here, which I might cover the whole thing with. I'm not sure yet, but it makes for a flat surface to play on, and I just thought this would be a great idea for an inexpensive way to make a journal. There are see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I think there's 14 or 16. 14 file folders. Just the regular size, they're not the legal size. But I get these for free at my local art junction, which is more or less like your Creative Reuse in the US. But yeah, so if you want to watch me play in this journal, let me know in the comments below. And I'm hoping everybody's having a good day, and hope my sound is good and you can hear me well. I'm always nervous when I'm talking into a microphone. That's new for me. But hopefully tomorrow I'll put up another video of me playing in this art journal. So take care everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you all soon.